Welcome back to Anna. Today I'll be putting my bridesmaids proposal boxes together and I am super excited. I am beyond ready to get this cute customized package together for my ladies. If anything, like, I'm even more excited about this than planning out the bridal shower, bachelorette, or honestly even looking for the dress. I love giving gifts, especially for the people that I love most. So let's get started. This is the bag of goodies. I have lots of really cute things that I'm going to put in each box, and I will reveal them to you shortly. First and foremost, I would like to give a shout out to Franchesca. I met her on Instagram through mutual friends and we found out that we were both Scorpios. So initially that's how we vibed, and then I found out that she also has her own small business where she creates skincare products by hand, and I immediately knew that I would love to have her products in the bridesmaids proposal boxes, and I'm going to show you what I ordered. I've used her products multiple times and I am just in love with the results that I get from it, and I mean, look how gorgeous each product is. The details that she put into her work is just amazing. And her sugar body scrubs. Oops. Mango pineapple with the iced carrot cake. And I've already showed this before, but fried ice cream. You don't see this at Bath and Body Works, okay? So with that small introduction, I would definitely recommend her. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I am hardcore, fully supportive of small businesses and side hustles because I believe that's where your creative side shines the most. So if you are needing any products, visit her Instagram. It's Chanko Beauty. And just keep on scrolling because I bet you'll find a lot of things that you'll love. So this is a quick overview of all the items that will be in the box. First, we're going to start with a card. Currently blank, but I will fill that in. Secondly, a Hello Kitty face mask. Super cute. And then we have a bracelet. It says love, and a message here. It says, with love comes protection, comfort, and confidence. Always remember you are surrounded by love. And on the other side, it has a heart. And so I bought this packet of tattoos, and it has 12 pieces, and so I'm going to give each girl 2. Because my wedding is in next year, I wanted to have the autumn fall vibe, so what could be more perfect than a pumpkin? And so for each pumpkin, I am going to paint each girl's name on here, and I think that it would be such a sweet and cute thing where they can place on their desk or around their home, and the color white would just blend in and match a lot of things. In here we have affirmation cards, and I wanted to do this because all my girls need affirmation. We live in a world where sometimes it will knock us down, but having affirmation cards, something physical, something to spontaneously look through or flip or pick and then read it, I believe that that will set the mood for the day. And not only is it affirmation cards, I also have karma cards. And basically what this is, you'll grab or you'll pick V card, and it will let you know what you should do. It could be very random things that you can do for a stranger or something in public that would make someone else's life better or happier or uplifted. So one of the girls are gonna get a karma, actually two of the girls are going to get a karma card deck. And the third type of deck that I have is the scripture cards. As well, I believe that it serves a spiritual uplifting purpose, and for the ladies that are more spiritually connected, that has faith, this is what I will place in their box. Overall, affirmation cards, karma cards, and scripture cards. And as you all know, I'm going to have two products from the Chanko Beauty in the box as well. And because my ladies are so sweet, they will also be receiving a Pocky packet, strawberry cream flavored. That's pretty much it. But you know, this is how the box looks, and I wanted to either paint the girls' initials on the box or actually paint out their whole entire name. I bought this bouquet of roses. It's artificial, as you can see. After the box is complete, I would love to just place a branch of rose on top of the box and wrap it up very glamorously and then deliver it to each girl. On the pumpkin, I'm actually going to paint the girl's initial just because I don't have that much space. But of course, on the box, I am going to paint their full name. Let's get it! It's complete. So as you can see, I completed all 6 boxes. So the only thing to do now is to wrap it up. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is the complete product. Very simple and cute and customized. Let me just grab a random box out. This is for my friend, Nixai. There's a branch of rose here, her name, and a multi-dimensional sticker. And when you open it up, oops, her pumpkin is attached to the card. Let me fix that. That's supposed to go down. There you go. So when you open it, it looks like this. Has a card asking her to be my bridesmaid and all of the goodies that you all see.